Hey guys, Mensch here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to make a track in a future garage style, future garage. Yeah, I used this reference. It's called Izzamuzzic, or track called Amour. Also, it sounds like a future garage. And let me show you what I use in this track. We have 112 BPM. Usually Future Garage has something like 140, but it's not a rule, of course. You can make your own speed, your own BPM. So let me show you the track and I'll explain what I use here. So the track sounds like that, and let me show you what we use here. I used this kick. Sounds like that. It's similar to future bass or trap or something. We have something like a snare. Basically, it's something like a rim shot. Also, we have this one. Also remind me a rim shot, and we have some drum loops. By the way, these loops have a lot of glitches or other fixes, something like noises or something. It's sounds really cool with these sounds, textures, etc. And also we have rim shot. I used reverb to make it more atmosphere. The main thing you should know about this genre, it's using of these atmosphere textures, etc. Maybe drones or something. Actually, it sounds like that. But I used a cue here because we don't need low frequencies here. Also, we have the Atmos sound. We have wrist bass. I copied this harmony, these chords from this track. By the way, it sounds cool. Also, we have pad. This something like arpeggio or pluck. Actually, it sounds like a bell, but you can use pluck to make something like this. We have flute. It's something like additional melody for this track. Sounds really nice. We have this flute, but actually I'm not sure about this flute. I decided to use it, but maybe it's not fit right in this track. I don't know, but I'll leave it. I don't know, maybe delete later. We have this sax loop. Also, I used a lot of reverb for this loop because this saxophone it sounds nice as it is, but I decided to make more reverb here. Also, we have vocals. I used Future Garage voices. I don't know, you can use maybe more commercial voices, I don't know, vocals I mean. I decided to use just these voices, chops or something. And we have this reverse crash. Something like that. There are not so many fixes here, but it sounds really atmospheric because we used these textures, pads, and a lot of reverb for almost every sound we have here. Maybe except there is bass because it sounds like a bass. Yeah, something like that. What do you think about this genre? Please let me know in the comments. If you like this genre, maybe you have some advices, feel free to type in the description. Yeah, and this track I'll upload to my Patreon and Boosty. This project. Maybe you want to know how to make a track like that, maybe some pads, how I use it, I don't know, and maybe presets. Of course, I'll prepare some presets and maybe some samples. I mean, atmospheres, new ones to make a track, to make easier track in this genre. Yeah, I'm sorry. I filmed a video before, already a bit tired. So let me know in the comments what you think about it, and main chill is here. Bye bye guys.